While some of us have been watching my tutorials and enjoying my iPhone tips and tricks on how to get things done, some of you are wondering why my interface looks a bit different. That's because of iOS 18. In this video, for those of you who have asked, I'm going to be teaching you how to install iOS 18 developer mode on your smartphone without the need of a system. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, share a comment if you find this resource useful, and subscribe to my page. Now let's get into it. On your phone, go to developer.apple.com, scroll down to where you have iOS 18, open it. The next page will reveal some of the features that you'll be getting, like iPhone mirroring with your MacBook, customizing the look of your iPhone, passwords application, locking and hiding applications with your Face ID or your Touch ID. Once you're done reading through, on the top right corner of the screen you see a download button. Tap on it and then it will open a page where it asks you to sign in with your Apple ID. Once you sign in with your Apple ID, it opens the next page where you're supposed to accept the terms and conditions. Once you're done accepting the terms and conditions, your Apple ID would have access to every single beta download that is available on the next page. Now, to download the actual beta version, go into your phone settings and scroll down to General. Under General, click on Software Update. Under Software Update, you need to enable beta developer version first, then you check for software updates. Once the update is available, make sure you have enough battery. I usually use about 60 to 70% or have between that range, and then click download. Because it's a heavy download, I usually make sure I have enough data on my phone. Once you're done with that, all you need to do is restart your phone and then the update will run in the background. Once the update is done in the background and it restarts, you have access to all these features. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Don't forget to drop a comment if you find this resource useful.